Hi guys, Varun here from Phone and I have the all-new Nokia Android Smart TV here for a quick overview. So this went on sale on Flipkart I think a couple of days ago and we already have it. It's just shipped and got delivered and here we have it. So this TV is actually kind of made in India by Flipkart in partnership with Nokia, and you can only find it on Flipkart online for now. So it's priced at about roughly 41,000 rupees, 41,999 for the 55-inch Ultra HD 4K version. But there's an offer going on where you can get 2,000 rupees cash back. So it's about roughly about 39,999 or 40,000 rupees. So it's a very competitive segment. This segment of TVs right now in India, you have Xiaomi, you have kind of the Falcon, TCL, you have VU, a lot of TV brands out there, and it's interesting to see. And Motorola also launched a TV in partnership with Flipkart recently, so it's interesting to see an iconic brand like Nokia get into the TV business. So this is the Nokia branded TV. As you can see, you have the JBL brand as well. So it's a sound bar which is integrated into the TV in partnership with JBL Audio. So that's one of the highlights of the TV. So this is the remote which ships. As you can see, you have a dedicated Netflix, YouTube, and Google Play button, and also a Google Assistant button as well, and have the Nokia branding as well. So it's a pretty kind of a very detailed remote, not a very minimalistic remote. It's a pretty intense remote in terms of the shortcuts. You have pretty much the channel numbers, kind of the D-pad, home, menu, exit. It's pretty detailed, the remote. So let's actually power on the TV and take it for a spin. So you can see it's booting up. It's actually a 55-inch 4K panel, and it's got DLED backlighting. So it's running on Android 9 out of the box, and there's no kind of skinning or whatsoever. It's like plain vanilla Android TV. So let's wait for the TV to boot. You have plenty of ports on the back and also on the side. So there's a USB port and an HDMI port on the side. Actually, there are a couple of USB ports, USB ports here and an HDMI on the side. And on the back, you have couple more HDMI ports and the TV ports, and also Ethernet port as well, which is interesting. Okay, so this is the Android TV home screen without much customization. You can see here. So this is the Android TV. You might have used an NVIDIA Shield TV. You might notice this. So you have YouTube, you have Google Play. So you have Play Music, you have Netflix. So let's actually go into the settings. So you can go to the About screen. It's running on Android 9. And we have about 16 GB of storage. It's about 12 GB is available, and you have Google Assistant, Chromecast, and everything. So let's actually open up Netflix. So this is a series which can give you. So the TV also supports Dolby Vision. So as you can see here, you have the Dolby Vision. Kind of the hallmark feature for video content consumption. So the TV is Dolby Vision certified. So if you can actually see it in person, I think it looks the difference you can see with the TV panel which supports Dolby Vision and the panel which does not. So let's actually go a little further back in this video. This is actually the Netflix app, which is streaming at 4K. So as you can see, that's that. And let's see if there's something else which we can play, which is. This is also Dolby Vision certified, so you can see the kind of the colors are a little bit more vibrant in Dolby Vision, with the Dolby Vision. So otherwise, it's powered by quad-core processor. It has about 2 gigs of RAM, and so let's open up YouTube. So this is YouTube playing a 4K video, pretty seamless, and the colors are pretty nice for the on the panel. So sadly there's no HDR support for the YouTube app, but it does support HDR on the Netflix app though. So you can see it's a pretty nice panel, and you can see the colors, pretty good colors on this video. So it's a pretty lovely video. You should check it out. And what else? So you can actually connect a hard drive or a pen drive and a USB drive and kind of play content from that. And there's also a dedicated Google Play button as well, and there's a Google Assistant button. So play 4K videos on YouTube. Play 4K videos on YouTube. So you can actually speak into the remote. It's a microphone here. So kind of get the results from there. And what else? So overall, yeah, it's a pretty neat TV in terms of a smart TV. I mean, it's going to be a very competitive space. So let's see what Nokia does. It's a 55-inch 4K TV, and the price points have actually gone a lot down over the years. So one last thing, let's actually see the audio performance, because considering a lot of you guys have asked about the audio coming out of the speakers. So let's check that out. So yeah, the audio experience is pretty good actually. It's not too loud and not too quiet, and there's not much of kind of audio jitter at the higher volumes. So pretty neat. I mean, JBL is known for their audio products, so we'll probably let you know in detail in a complete review. But for now, this is a kind of initial overview of the Nokia Smart TV. And do let us know in the comments as to what you think about the Nokia TV and what you'd like to see in the future products from the company. And thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any questions about the Nokia Smart TV.